Hi guys, welcome to Sipra International Marketing, and today our topic is Google AdWords, and we're going to start from the beginning, from A to Z. We will go through Google AdWords, and there is a full playlist for Google AdWords, from beginners till expert level. How you can create your ads, how you can create calling ads, search engine ads. For example, today what we are going to do is search engine ad. So for example, if you search office furniture Dubai and you are watching these ad, these are known as advertisements, and this one, it's organic search result which is appearing by SEO. So today we are going to start search engine advertisements. So when you will click on ads.google.com, you will sign it, you will fill your informations, and you will be here. So when you click, you can create new ads account. If you are already new, so there is no need to create new ad account. So you will be on this page, and this is a light version of Google AdWords. This is for the people who are not expert in Google AdWords. They will choose this page. But if you scroll down, you will see, you will look about switch to expert mode. So expert mode is for the person who is professional in Google AdWords. Okay. So simply click switch to expert mode. Now every campaign, in every new campaign, there are five things. I will explain you five things. Step 1, select goal. Step 2, create audience. Step 3, you can set up your budget. Step 4, create ad. Step 5, publish it. So in any kind of advertisement related to internet, there are always these five steps you have to follow. So step number 1, select your goal. So today our goal is sales, which is drive sales online in applications, by phone or in stores. So we're gonna create a campaign which drives sales to our website. Okay, so we will select sales. After that, I told you that we are going for search engine advertisement, okay, which will appear on google.com. Okay, so we will select search. These all other things, these all other goals and others campaign types, we're going to discuss later. Okay, select the way you would like to reach your goal. Now you have four kind of ways through which you can reach your goal. But in search ad, we prefer website visits, some company prefer phone calls, some company prefer shop visit, but mostly people use website visits and phone call. Okay, so for example, my website name is https forward slashes, after that you can say red arrows ae. Okay, so this is my website name. I think this doesn't exist. I'm just taking an example. I'm not like uploading my own website. Okay, so this is a website. Okay, you can create and you can start a website conversion tracking, but no need, we will do it this one later. Okay, when our account is set up. After that, there is one more process which is known as create an account without a campaign. You can also create an account without a campaign. Simply click on this one, and you will upload your business information. You will submit this, and you can explore your account. After that, you can create your campaign. Okay, so there are two processes, because if you create there, they will ask you for billing, but if you create here, they will not ask you for billing till the time you are going to upload your billing. For practice reason, you have to do these things. Okay, so I am selecting again all the things. First of all, goal, search campaign type, website is. After this you can simply continue. Now we are going to create a campaign setting. Okay, so in campaign setting, campaign name is for you, like how you will identify your campaign. My campaign is uh, drive sales, or you can say promotion. Network is display and search. Display network, they upload your images. For example, you go to YouTube, you have search results there also. For example, if you search about office furniture, see there are suggestions. After that, there is a search result, visit website, tradeline dot com. So this is a office furniture website, and this is display network also. These are shopping advertisement. And if you go to other websites, for example, which is known as small SEO tools.com, you go here, you will check there are display advertisements. It will upload within 5 seconds. Just hold on. Yeah, this is a display advertisement. There it is. There it is. So they all are display advertisements. Okay, so search is Google search. This one, display networks, they will use your images and they will upload your what you call it, your ad on different platforms. Okay, so location, specify your location. You want it only in, I for example, I just want it in Dubai. I will select Dubai and take care of this thing, city and province. So you will select according to your choice. So it matters sometime. For example, now there is languages. You can select Arabic, English, and budget. You can select your budget, 50 AED. Bidding. Now this is the most important part. See this one, create goal, create audience. These are 5 steps. Sometime you can every platform have different scheduling for these things. So we are going to set budget first, then bidding, and then we will select our audience, which would be on next step. Okay, so this is the main focus part. There is conversion value, clicks and impression. If you're driving sales, okay, so see this one, what they're saying, set up conversion tracking to see when someone who interacted with you ad takes an action that you value. So you have to track an conversion. That is, be you can only track that one with your website. Okay, so this is a thing. So we need clicks and impression share. The mostly people, they use clicks. Set up max cost per click. So this is a maximum cost per click, how much you are willing to pay for a click. For example, there is a bidding going on this time. You can say office furniture Dubai. You can say 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 websites this time, and which will appear at the top, who is paying the most. Okay, so this is how you can select bidding. Now site link extension, this is site link extension, this one, a site link of your website. Okay, for example, your website is having, your website is about office furniture and you have a page for workstation. The page is separate. Okay, so for that thing you will say workstation, get 40% discount on workstation, eager wood used in workstations, and final URL will be for workstation. It cannot be the same as your website. For example, slash station, something like this. If you will use same, they will not accept. Okay, and you can, after saving this, you can preview this, how it appears on your website, like this on your mobile, like this on your website, same I explained this one. Okay, so after this, call out extension, for example your promotion call out is known as something you are promoting. See, every day saving extra 5% off. This is something like discount offer up to 40% discount, express shipping, which attracts your customer. Okay, after this, what you can use is cashback 5% as they have used. So save it, and you can preview it, how it will appear. It will appear something like this. After this, call extension means your mobile number. So you can choose anything like 05848586887. So choose any number. This is for your example, this is not my number. So save and continue. Okay, now this is your ad group. Every campaign have a ad group, so this is your ad group. So now, for example, your campaign is about office furniture, and you have categories: desk, reception desk, uh, chairs, ergonomic office chairs, tables, reception tables, dining tables, sofa set, lounge. You have many categories, so ad groups will be according to that category. Okay, so ad group is related to desks. Now you will give your URL, they will fetch out keywords by themselves, but you can say, you can choose keywords by yourself, and you can uh, let them Google choose for your for for you. Now there is the most important thing in Google AdWords, which is known as broad match, phrase match, exact match. What is broad match, phrase match, and exact match? I will explain you. Broad match, phrase match, exact match. For example, just take an example. uh I'm finding a good example. Okay, your keyword is red shoes. You given it as a broad match without any indication, that is known as broad match. With apostrophes, that is phrase match. Now broad match means red shoes. If someone's write red shoes for boys, it will appear, your ad will appear. In phrase match also your ad will appear, because red shoes, it's matching with phrases. Girl shoes in red, red is matching, shoes is matching, so they will appear in phrase match also. And broad match is too open, like someone write I want girl shoes in red, it will appear, your ad will appear. Okay, so this is too broad, without any indication. Phrase match, it's like if you miss one word, then your ad will not appear. Red shoes, pink color shoes, so red is not there, your ad will not appear. So this is, but if it's footwear, footwear also is known as shoes, so your ad will also appear, but this will cost you too much. This will but I can say it like, it's kind of same. Broad match and phrase match is nowadays, they are both are same. So what you can do is, you can use more and more keyword with exact match. Now I will show you one thing. If you, this is exact match, these brackets are for exact match, this is for phrase match. You will see their clicks are getting less, because we are making it too concise, like we don't want to waste our money. if I will remove these keywords because it will be too long, you will see there is no result, zero. Okay, because my audience is too small. But I would just want to explain you how broad match, exact match, and phrase match works. Okay, I hope this would be clear to you guys. And next is simple. So create ad. So this is your ad. Now see this one. This is known as ad which appears here. Now you are going to create your ad here. And first of all, this is display path which will appear as summer sale here. It will appear somewhere here. After that, Google is saying use your keyword in your headings. Now you can say that construction, Dubai, architecture, films. You can give it, and you can position it if you want. For example, I I like this one, that to attract more customers, up to 40% discount on designs. I want this on the first one. Every time when my ad runs, I want this to be first. I will make it second. So this will be first every time, this one, and this will be second every time. And other will be rotating according to Google. Now you will give your description, everything. You will click done and save and continue. So this was all about Google AdWords, how you can, the conversion tracking is not set up to track up your sales, so you need to set this up. So this is a totally simple process. Installation option, install tracking code yourself, copy this one and put in your website header. It will be start tracking. Okay, so this is too simple. After that you can publish, and they will ask you about billing and all these things. That is a second part, that is you can do it later. Also in billing option you can go, and you can fix this thing. And I hope that this video would clear your mind about Google AdWords, and inshallah next videos we will be discussing in more detail. Every time I create video, I assure you, I I also want to assure myself that whatever it's necessary to tell you for a specific goal, we explain that one. This is my I want to share my knowledge with you guys. I hope you would understand and you will love my video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.